Okay, people, this is a spin-off from my other weather report that I did in 2016 during the blizzard nor'easter then. As I spin myself around to show you the blizzard-like conditions north of the city. The precipitation is really not bad out here right now. We didn't get and expect as much snow as the news reporters expected, but do not press your luck coming out here. It is extremely dangerous and slippery, and there's a lot of rain and hail, and street signs and light posts are just covered in ice and snow. So please be careful out here. Follow the governor's instructions as far as staying off the roads. Don't be a knucklehead. Don't be silly. Don't be stupid. Okay? Also, I just want to point out that there's been a complete travel ban throughout New York City and north of the city. So there's no buses, there's no trains, there's no New Jersey Transit or MTA running at this time. Now, I also would like to say, welcome to Big G's. Welcome to Big G's Weather Report 2017 Blizzard Nor'easter. Okay? The accumulation of snow is supposed to be every 4 hours. So right now, this blizzard conditions are just getting started around the city. I am actually turning myself around so you can actually see the accumulation of snow and ice around the city. Okay? So it's not as bad out here right now, but the conditions and gusty winds will get heavier as the day goes on. And this is part one of my assignment. Also to inform you that I will be getting paid for this assignment, $400, which is good. Okay, like I said, I am just as good as reporting the weather as any news channel out there around the world. I am out here in this nor'easter blizzard 2017. Okay, make sure you check on your neighbors. Make sure you check on the elderly to make sure that everyone is okay and safe. I did not bring a measuring tape today because if you notice, and you can take a look there, the snow accumulation is really not that bad, okay? But I know throughout the day it will get heavier and you will see more of me throughout the day, okay? So please be safe out there. Like I said, do not press your luck. Follow Governor Andrew Cuomo's and the mayor of New York City. Follow their instructions, okay? And stay off the roads. It is treacherous out here. It is dangerous. The wind gust is really high. The precipitation and the visibility, it's okay for right now, but it's going to pick up and it's going to get very dangerous with so much snow and so much ice, and it's slippery. I almost fell a couple of times myself, so please be careful, okay? Keep an eye. If you have your children outside, please keep a close eye on your children, okay? Because conditions like this can get extremely dangerous, okay? There's cars that are stuck underneath the ice and they're trying to dig themselves out of the parking spaces as it is. And if you take a look here, you will see the people trying to actually dig themselves out of the snow, okay? So I enjoy this type of work. I love it. I think it's a wonderful activity. My mind and my body can actually stand this type of activity, so I have no problem with it at all, okay? Also, just be safe out there, you guys. If you're at home, you're in a safe place to be. Any type of emergencies, make sure you call 311, 911, and 411 for any emergency purposes. Okay, so as I turn myself around to show you the blizzard-like